What is the expression of peak-to-peak ripple voltage in a full wave rectifier? The difference between the output waveforms of a half wave rectifier and a full wave rectifier is that in the output of half wave rectifier only positive half cycles will be present. So in the input signal, wherever there are negative half cycles, at that time output would be 0. Whereas in case of full wave rectifiers, even the negative half cycles are rectified and are flipped and presented at the output. For example, this one and this one. In case of half wave rectifier, the time period of the discharging of the output capacitor or the smoothing capacitor is T in, because it starts discharging from this point and it keeps on discharging till the positive peak in the next half cycle, that is still here. But coming to, so it is, this is T, but coming to full wave rectifier, the discharging is happening only for half of the half cycle. Since the capacitor discharge occurs for about half of the input cycle, the ripple is approximately equal to half of that in half wave rectifier. If you see the ripple voltage formula in half wave rectifier, it is Vp minus Vd on into T in by tau, or Vp minus Vd on into T in by RL into C1. Tau is the RL into C1, which is the discharging time constant of the capacitor C1. So to get the ripple formula for full wave rectifier, we have to replace the T in by 2, because earlier T in was from this point till this point, from this point to this point. Now T in is from this time to this time only, from here to here. So we have to replace T in by 2 or F in by 2 into F in. So there are two differences in the formula of ripple voltage of a full wave rectifier when compared to ripple voltage of half wave rectifier. The first difference is addition of a factor into 1 by 2. This is because time period is halved. And the second difference is, instead of Vp minus Vd on, we have to place Vp minus 2 Vd on. The reason is, in half wave rectifier there is only one diode, and only one diode is on during the positive half cycles. But in full wave rectifier there are total 4 diodes, and 2 diodes are on during the positive half cycle and remaining 2 diodes are on during the negative half cycle. So in any half cycle at a time 2 diodes are on. So we have to consider 2 diode drop. So instead of Vp minus Vd on, we have to use Vp minus 2 Vd on.